These are my beautiful baby portobello mushrooms. Now, I like immerging my mushrooms in water because a lot of times they have caked on dirt that a damp towel just doesn't remove. After that, then I take my towel to pat them dry. And I personally believe if you use them right away, they don't have time to become waterlogged. I'm slicing mine, but you can dice them, chop them any way you want. Then I take a little bit of olive oil and put them in my saucepan to toast up. Now remember, this is going to be for future reference, for future recipes if you choose to use them this way. After about 6 minutes, voila, you have beautifully toasted mushrooms. Allow them to cool, bag them in freezer bags, and put them in the freezer for future recipes. Good luck.